welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is speaking about Lorraine. And he used this phrase. He said a whole lot of things about Lorraine. And you guys going to have to go ahead and go catch the video to hear what he has to say about her. He's also saying basically that, Lorraine can't cause a rift between him and Donna. And, there's no way that Lorraine could do that. So you guys got to go catch a video to see how confident Dwayne is in this. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful, beautiful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, my well-wishers, and anything that you want to call me, have yourselves a beautiful day. Always remember to be confident in yourself, never losing hope, always putting your best foot forward and staying confident always. It's your confidence sometimes that brings you to the place that you need to be. So never give up. Always keep in confidence afloat and have yourself a wonderful day.
Look in the mirror. Look at my skin. Look. You see? That's my skin. Do you see the two-tone? Look at my skin. You see the two-tone? Or 25 tone? You don't. But looking in the mirror, you see. You see many colors. You see shades of pink, shades of gray, shades of orange, shades of yellow, shades of all kinds. Girl, yes, Lorraine have a skin of many colors. Hello? Skin of many colors, Lara, you are, girl. Relax, girl. Own your title. Just know you have many shades. You have many shades, girl. Just own your thing. I said, yes, I have many shades of gray. You know, we got a shades of gray, but shades of many colors. What? Oh, God, I beg you. Hey, look, you not sweat. You not sweat, Lorraine. This is a workout. This is a damn workout. And I like it. I freaking like it. Lorraine, none of you hyenas, none of you Madhouse Productions can't trigger me. Not a girl. You cannot blood clot trigger me, girl. And yes, I'll use two. Anytime if I want to chop somebody ear out there, I'm going to chop that blood clot. You cannot trigger me. No, they. No, ma'am. No, you cannot motherfucking trigger me. Understand? Relax, girl, relax. You're doing too much. Come off Donna back, I'm gonna fuck your man. Come off Donna back, I'm gonna skin out your crutches and give your man some pom-pom. Come me sure say, down there I grow a cobweb. It a grow a cobweb, girl. Cause you're very salty. You're very, these days you become very salty. I'm not curse, say hello, I'm not the cripple boy, the boy with the kidney problem, the girl, in fact, the kidney problem girl, and the girl with the cripple girl, do we sure? She not cussing, she not cursing you. She's just telling you, she tell her the truth, girl, she tell her the truth. What God love. Why you want to come be upset with me, come and tell us, say, Donna, see, I told the woman tell the truth. Girl, Donna girl, Don, girl. Girl over there, over yonder. I am not doing this because I want your fans. Because them fees said, the people them say, I want your fans them. Darling lies it out. Do we shall do our own a thing? Do we shall be our own a thing? And who want come, who don't want come, not come. Bear man, I started this page, girl, with nothing. This is 2 days ago. I'm almost there trained the followers. Which means that clearly, them see me doing something with them like, girl, go away, girl. Go do something meaningful with your miserable, contentious, sad life. Donna's name is gonna be the cause that give you a damn heart attack. You're not shame, girl. You're not shame. That same taste out your skin, to give her some pom pom. You have to keep your waist pan down. You see a blood clot mascot. He's a fucking blood clot fool. Girl, me not cuss, hello. Hello, Lorraine people, I know over here, go tell us I'm not cuss her. And tell us if you pay 25,000 me come out to me gal myself again. I'm a clown her out because she's a blood clad clown fish. Why? The crutches! Ooh. I take a little break. I take a little break. I come in. I come in. I come in here. I catch my breath. Come remember, me a fat girl. So me have to catch my catch my breath. Why? Oh God, that's Larry girl is a damn blood clot. You're a fucking idiot. You're a damn fool. Let me right now, I'm laughing at you. I'm laughing at you. I am. I'm planning for tell you something. I want to chop me to your ear on the chop me. I'm going to conduct not to. I just saw everybody in a one. You understand? I dust that everybody in one. And girls and boys, on a damn lucky. On should leave me alone then. But let's be real, I am over it now. Lorraine, girl, I'm telling you, you cannot clown. You can't. Go clown your big crutches. Go clown your big crutches, girl. Go away, girl. Go clown your big crutches. You hear? And leave me alone. Yes, baby girl. Go away. Go away. You can spell go away. Can you spell go away? You can spell go away. Spell it and go away. Yes. You can't clown the creeping now, you can't. Lauren, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. See me? I have nothing to lose. Not one blood clot. I don't have nothing to lose, girl. Nothing at all. Them soon put you our course. Lauren, God, this end the our course. I go come to laugh. I go laugh for you. I go laugh. You must go work out for something. Something must come out of something. I gotta work out for something. I go come to laugh. I go come to laugh at your ass. Yes, cause you don't deserve it. It's a blood clad witch. You call it the white witch of Rosal. Alright, girl. Alright, I go stop. Yeah, look at the people them beg for you. Cause I'm going to come fix it good and proper. I tell you, you can't clone me. Wrong stop, girl. Wrong stop. The wish you don't have no blood clot shame. No shame. No shame to my game. No validation from no girl or boy out here, girl. The only woman want validation from I'm a mama. The cracks come out of Maureen, girl. Go away. You understand, girl? Larisha, crack with teeth. Madam, skin of many colors. You understand? Madam, skin of many colors. You understand? You cannot clown with nothing when we do with you. Nothing, girl. He's a damn fool. He's a damn fool. He's a fucking idiot. Yeah, girl. Real talk. Real talk. Real talk. Me not side swipe. Me not side. So me tell her the truth. Me tell her what. Me tell her one of this. Me tell everybody the truth. The truth. Oh, girls, if you don't follow this page, please follow this page. Please follow this page, okay? We're going, over here, so we're going with self, but we're gonna do it in a very, very jovial way, a very happy way, bliss and happy, and gay, like me, period. Per. And any girl I wear over here, if it is homophobic, don't come over. I don't want to come on. Oh, watch the Batman, go away. My mama love me, my mama love me. Me mama love our Batgirl daughter. Go away. Yes, I don't know where I'm coming from. Oh. Yes, darlings. How it go? Alright. Hello, girl. How you feel? How you feel? It's the more like 1 hour, 4+hour, girl. I do the most all day. I mean, me know say I say all the one that one cool call and probably I'll cuss out my clot to girl, but I don't care. I don't care. I don't give one clot. I don't care, girl. Bear in mind, I'm telling you, I'm only here for fun. Fun. And more fun. Do we should say for fun. And fun only. Understand, girl? Do you get it, girl? Girl, do you understand? You understand, girl? Keep it cute or mother effing meat. Understand? Don't come. Let me tell you something. Don't come for me. If me not say, Lorraine, come for me. Nobody come, girl, come. Remember something tell her? My tongue longer than your tongue. Longer than your tongue. Long than your tongue. Trust me. Trust me, girl. One thing, me sure say you me could have leaned up 25 toes more time. Me could have leaned up 25 toes more time, girl. I'm gonna be a cripple 25 more toes time. I'm gonna have kidney problem 25 more toes time. Yeah, any kind of problem, you can't just put one there. Never. Go away, girl. Go away. You can't spell go away. You can't spell it. Do me a favor and do that. Do one, yeah, do one, girl, do one. And come off me and Donna back, girl, cause when I look pine you, come on, I'm laugh with what Donna say. And Donna right for had to share the right to say what she said. Whether you feel me a kiss Donna ass and girl, I don't give one blood clot. I don't care. Me know some not kiss no girl boy ass out here. But you're not gonna say that. But do I care? I don't give one blood clot, right? You know, right now I'm on the right side of life. You are up on it too. Hop on the right side of life too, and stop your nastiness. Cause you become a very bitter human being, very toxic and nasty and just ill. Girl, go back in your trenches. Go back in your trenches. Go back in the gutter, girl, because a gutter blood clot monkey. Go away, girl. Gutter, bomba clot. Yes, he's a gutter monkey. Gutter monkey, go away. Go look in the mirror. Laura, look in the mirror and tell me if you don't look at her. A splitting blood claims a monkey. Is a blood clot gutter monkey, girl. Go away. Gutter monkey, girl. Go away. Go away, gutter monkey. Leave me alone. I did not trouble you. But come on, can laugh at that. I said, I'm going myself. What's the issue? You cannot use nothing with Mr. about Donna and beat me nothing. Not one blood clot. And you cannot use what Donna said about me and beat me a liar. Tell me and Donna now. Donna girl. On a screen recorder, I said, go get Donna. Tell Donna to me give her one kiss. And right now, me give her one parasol. And next one, yeah, so. Nowhere else. Yeah. We're good over here. Larisha, we're good over here, girl. We're good over here, girl. Go away. Donna love me. I'm a lover. Yeah, girl, go away. Thank you, boss! My ex-wife. I remember some normal tongue girl. So I can't with a girl come in. I am not a lesbian. I am not a lesbian. But Planka boss, my ex-wife. Go, Larisha. Crack with teeth. Your minute skin of blood clot. Many colors. Go away, girl. Go away. Got a monkey, go away. Leave me alone. I don't see you. I will never see you, girl. Period. And whether you feel some dump on my face, I don't give. It better be dump on my face, so that's I can class got a blood clot monkeys like you. Period. Oh, girl, you go over there. Are you good over there, girl? You good over there? Me open and like my video, no? Me open and like my video, no? Me open and like my video, no? Me say me open and like my video. Me hope say una send it going in on a friend them DMs, cause me know say una not gonna share going on the group. Me hope say una send it in on a friend them, so una come listen to come listen to the big mouth girl. Come share to the friend them and the friend them DMs. I say come over here. What I'm told you. I wanna hear about. Don't come back to the like on love me, on love me big dirt, on love me girls, on love me, on love me. Don't come back and don't love me, cause no rascal love me. And that's just true. On love me, all on love me. Right, I'm just snap on over phone say one of them, and I laugh at the thing of me. I say, no, go ahead, on love me. But you know, right now, let me have some secret admirers. It's fine. Let me have some secret admirers right now. Or they can stay secret till I'm ready to like reveal on the identity. Say, hello, Dewisha, wagwan, Dewisha girl, wagwan, you alright, girl? I'm gonna say, alright. I say, yeah, girl, I'm alright, you alright. Right, so go away. Dewisha girl, you can't clone me no day. Me not tell her the truth, you can't clone me. You hear me, girl? You? Now, any girl out there, or any boy out there with a page, on cannot clone this girl over here. Cause me, I take one anything about me and come back and clown on it even more. I am a styler. Me is the we sure is a styler. On a cannot style, a styler. You understand, girl? My mouth, that big mouth over here, girl. I've been using it for me yeah them down my knee, which means I'm down this so yay high. You understand, girl? I would rather cuss you and style you than actually. I don't do these things. Cause me can't fight. But I'll use my mouth on you. I make you feel bad. Madam Skin of Many Colors, go and check a dermatologist. Go see a dermatologist. Maybe that dermatologist can help you to find like your right shade. So you can at least come and shade me. But darling, the shade we are shade right now, it's not shading in any way, shape, or shade not shade. No, girl. The shade is not shading. I tell me a cripple. Okay, me know that. Yeah, I tell me about cocky leave me up. Even if it leave me up, it never bust on bottom from your little picnic. It bust it up from you know. What? And girl, it's supposed to. Cause I'm a girl. Why are you so bitter? Why are you so bitter? Why? Hey, I swear to God, I'm open a laugh, you know. I'm open a laugh. I said, anyone in there? I'm open a laugh, you know. I'm saying, open a laugh coming out. And I come back out here. And not come back out here. Any owner not, I say, any owner not laugh over there right now. Any owner not laugh over there right now. I not come back by here. I not come back. Me not come. Me no. Me are the spice. Me the blood clot spice. Me not, hello. I am spicy. Not tell me. Me know what to tell you. Me a blood clot hot spice. Me a hot sauce scotch by the pepper sauce to my hot. I want to hear more. Why? My God. Larisha, girl, go away, girl. Go away. Is a damn blood clot crown. Do we should to the blouse cut wear, girl. And hello, it is the Dwesha. Spell it right, girl. Spell it right. Get it right. Get it right. Yeah, get. Look at the page, Jim. I saw me spell it. Spell it, or me spell it. Spell it, or me spell it. Not your own way. No, girl. Nobody come spell my name. Don't come spell my name. No, girl. But I love you more than I love you, girl. I love you. Let me show you a damn clown. Hey, from today, I'm gonna start calling King of Many Colors. I swear, if anytime I come to live about you, I'm gonna call you Skin of Many Colors. Skin of Many Colors. Lorraine. Yes, girl. Me not calling the crackety, cause crackety common. Crackety to it too common now. That is very common. Common. And I am not a commoner. So me not calling no crackety, me calling my one name. Skin of Many Colors. Yes, like Joseph Coat of Many Colors. You have the difference with you just have skin of many colors, many shades. Yes, girl. You have 25 toes shape for your body, girl. Go look, girl. I'll party a bun up. The crutches. Larry, you can't shade me, girl. You can't shade me. You know, see, me I laugh, me a shade you. I'm laughing at you. I'm a shade you. I saw it figure. I saw it figure. I'm not gonna wear a thing. You know, see people in avenues. Do we share? The page name, Emma. The page name. That is it, girl. To get. I better go for Lorraine. What's your come for Lorraine? I can see you. I come to come look by you. I come to come look by you, girl. So you fella. Oh, you're private. You're private, girl. Nicole, my girl, what babes? You alright? I love you here. I love you, Nicole. Nicole, you're like one of my favorite people here. I love you, girl. I will call you. Hey, go to Kalina. Where you go? I will call Kalina over here. I will call you. She there. We see Kalina still there. Kalina still over here, girl. Kalina like the one I'm number one right now. My number one supporter. I love Kalina. I love her to the moon and back. I love Kalina. I love Nicole. I love Yolanda. I love Anne-Marie. I love Elaine. I love Teresa. I love Nafano. And our good girls. other damn good girls too. I'm not trading for nobody, girl. I'm not trading for nobody. Yeah. Some people left me.